everyone. Remembering our eldest sister today. Sadly, 17 years ago, she died of stomach cancer and had only 6 months to live. That taught me a good lesson to live every second, every minute of each day as if it was my last. I miss her so much. Sadly, our dad got killed 2 years before she got diagnosed of stomach cancer. And on her last breath, she didn't let go of her last breath, guys, without me promising to her to continue Dad's legacy. Dad has taught us at a young age to love one another and treat every human being in this earth that come across our path as if it's our brother and sister. He taught us to be kind and to share our blessing to the less fortunate whenever we have a blessing. And at a young age, I was only 7 when I dreamed to come to Hawaii. And here I am in Hawaii, doing the things I love. I love gardening and have turned my passion to raise funds for the less fortunate back home. And that's what's my sister's last wish, to continue Dad's legacy. And it's so amazing how great feeling. It's such a great feeling to be able to share whatever God's amazing grace given to me in my life to those less fortunate in our village, selling my white pineapple plants and dragon fruit cuttings. Thank you to all of you. Agyaman ako na in Ilocano. Maraming salamat in Tagalog. And Mkoisay in Cantonese. And that's my hibiscus and noni. Check it out, guys. It has a lot of amazing health benefits and it's just grow around our neighborhood. I'm so lucky that not only we have a lot of plumerias in our property, we also have a lot of plumerias in our subdivision. Thank you everyone for your support to my channel. Please subscribe. Stay safe and healthy. Mahalo. Aloha.